Hello everyone, welcome back today. The 2025 Aprilia RS 125 continues the brand's legacy of delivering high-performance, lightweight sport bikes tailored for young and discerning riders. His latest iteration combines advanced engineering with striking aesthetics, ensuring it remains a standout in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. The heart of the RS 125 is a 124 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, now updated to meet €5 plus emission standards. His engine delivers approximately 14.7 horsepower at 10,000 rpm and 8.2 lb-ft of torque at 8,000 rpm, providing a responsive and exhilarating ride suitable for both urban commuting and spirited weekend rides. The RS 125 features an aluminum perimeter frame, contributing to its lightweight design and agile handling characteristics. His suspension setup includes $40 million forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, ensuring stability and precise control during cornering and high-speed maneuvers. Equipped with a 300mm front disc and a 240mm rear disc, the RS 125 offers robust stopping power. The inclusion of ABS enhances safety by preventing wheel lockup during sudden braking, providing riders with confidence in various riding conditions. Aprilia has introduced two new color schemes for the 2025 RS 125, King Snake White, which combines elegant white with bold red accents, and Cyanide Yellow, featuring an intense black paired with striking yellow highlights. These fresh designs enhance the bike's sporty appeal and ensure it stands out on the road. The 2025 model comes equipped with switchable traction control, allowing riders to adjust the level of intervention based on their preferences and riding conditions. Additionally, the bike features an anti-rollover system, enhancing safety during aggressive acceleration and braking. With a seat height of 32.2 inches and a wet weight of approximately 317 pounds, the RS 125 offers a balanced and comfortable riding position. These dimensions make it accessible for a wide range of riders, ensuring both comfort and control during extended rides. The 2025 Aprilia RS 125 exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering a high-quality, performance-oriented sport bike in the 125 cubic centimeters category. With its updated engine, advanced features, and striking new designs, the RS 125 continues to set the standard for lightweight sport bikes, offering an engaging and dynamic riding experience for both new and experienced riders alike.